Hello, I'm super excited to be here again. Welcome to the tutorial number 2 on how to build auto BNB transfer bot. If you haven't watched tutorial number 1, please click on the link in the description below and make sure you watch it, share it, and subscribe to the channel. I think tutorial number 1 will give you a general introduction to what we are doing here and the reason why you have to subscribe to this channel. We are trying as much as possible to frustrate the effort of hackers and get our account, our wallet back with all our assets. Okay, so in this tutorial we are going to be setting up the environments that we need. We're going to be installing Python, and also we're going to be installing the Web3 library, which we are going to be using to interact with the Smart Chain network. You can also use that to also interact with other network like the Ethereum network. Okay, so open your browser and go to Python. Okay, python.org. Okay, here we have it. Then click on where is this? Our download should be somewhere here. Okay, Python 3.10. Okay, then just come to this download here. Okay, then you click on this download and install it on your computer system. I already have it in my system, so there's no need of downloading it. So you click on download, then install. Okay, so that is that about that. After installing the Python program, you go to your command prompt, BNB. Okay, now we are going to use pip to install Web3. Without Web3 in your system, even if you have Python, you will not be able to interact with the Smart Chain network. The Web3 is the library we are going to be using, so before we can use it we need to install it. So you type pip install Web3. Okay, then you press enter. I already have it on my system, so it's going to show me some message that I've already satisfied this. I already have this library installed on my system. Okay, for you it's going to download it and install it. Make sure you are connected to the internet because it's going to download and install. You can see from what I have here, requirement already satisfied. That means you have this installed on your computer system. If you don't have it, it's going to download it and then install it. Please note that you need to have Microsoft Visual C++ installed on your computer system for you to be able to install Web3. So if you don't have that installed, whenever you type pip install Web3, it's going to complain. It's not going to install it. So if you don't have that installed, you need to go to Microsoft and download that first, install it. What is needed there is the Microsoft Visual C++. Okay, once you have that installed, you can install your Web3 without any issue. Okay, that's basically what I have for you today. So make sure you share, subscribe. Okay, support me anyway by liking, commenting. If you have any question, especially while installing Web3, please leave a comment and I will try as much as possible to help you out. Thank you very much.